How to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps, open the apps, and then go to the Facebook Messenger right here. Click on Messenger, click on force stop, and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all these permissions right here are enabled. Go back and then go to the notifications management, and now right here make sure also that all these options are enabled, especially this chats and the chat heads active. And then go back and open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.